Some who've risked their lives to serve our country will now have better access to health care. Good evening and thanks for joining us for News Channel 9 at 5:30. I'm Latricia Thomas.
I'm Kim Chapman. Veterans living in southeastern Tennessee have waited years for a clinic to be built. Well, finally, the doors have opened, and News Channel 9's Kelsey Bagwell was there for the ribbon cutting ceremony. Kelsey.
Well, Kim, Latricia, veterans in our area have been waiting almost a decade for this. And 2 weeks ago, the Veterans Administration outpatient clinic finally opened in McMinn County. I spoke with many veterans as they saw their new health care facility for the first time.
1, 2, 3.
There were cheers all around when these veterans saw they have a health care facility to call their own.
I'm impressed. I actually commented my father, who's also a veteran, that it's actually nicer than Chattanooga. I like the setup, and it's very easy to get through and everything. And I noticed off the bat there's handicapped doors like it should be.
Before this month, local veterans had to drive to Murfreesboro to see a doctor or risk a long wait inside Chattanooga's smaller facility.
It's very crowded, a lot of confusion, a lot of people waiting, hard to get appointments, long time between appointments, that kind of thing.
Janice Kirkendall, who lives in Athens, came with her husband to his appointment this morning. She says there's no comparison to the facility in Chattanooga.
99% better because we don't have to drive and it's easy to get to. We have easy access here.
Now vets can see a doctor without a long drive or long wait. A dozen exam rooms are prepped for primary care and mental health. A laboratory is also included in the 6,000 square foot building. 1/3 of the staff are veterans, and the primary care physician says he's proud to serve the men and women who have defended our country.
It's good to take my skills that I've learned over my career and apply them to veterans. This is a group that's very enjoyable to serve as a doctor.
Congressman Chuck Fleischman was the keynote speaker at today's event.